Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this beautiful flower crochet pattern. It is made with these three colors and this is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3.5mm hook and we will start our work with a magic ring. We will first chain 1, then go into the ring and work 1 single crochet. Then we will go into the first loop of this single crochet here, and we will work another single crochet. And then we will go into the first loop of the second single crochet and work the third single crochet. And this combination of stitches will count as our triple crochet. Then we will chain 2, 1, 2. And next we will work here a triple crochet. For this we have to yarn over 2 times and go into the ring, grab the yarn, make a loop, grab the yarn and pull it through the first 2 loops, then through the next 2 loops, and the last through the last 2 loops. And here we have a triple crochet or triple double crochet. Next we will chain 2, and this will be our repeat for this first round. 1 triple crochet, 2 chains. Let's do this together one more time. So 1 triple crochet, chain 2. And we will continue to work in this way with this repeat until we have 13 triple crochets, including this combination of stitches from the beginning. We have now 13 triple crochets and we can now close the ring and also join the work in this way. Don't forget to chain 2 here at the end of this round. So we will go into this first stitch, this one, the second one, not this one, from the back of the work, and slip stitch this last stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work, and we can now cut this yarn and join the next color. With our second color, we will first make a slip knot, and we can start our second round from any of these chain 2 spaces. And we will start by making 5 loops in this chain 2 space. So we will go with our hook, grab the yarn and make a loop, a long loop. I will also bring this yarn here in order to hide it in the back of the work. Next we will yarn over and make the second loop. So we now have two long loops. Yarn over, 3, 4 and 5. And now we will grab the yarn and pull it through all these loops. And we will close these loops with a chain. And next we will chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this will be our repeat for this second round. So we will go into the next chain 2 space and work 5 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Grab the yarn, pull it through all these loops. Chain 1 and then chain 4. 3, 4. And this way we have completed 2 repeats. Let's do this together one more time. This time we will add this other yarn in order to hide it in the back of the work. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Close them with the chain and next chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we will continue to work with this repeat for all the remaining chain 2 spaces. There are 10 left in total, and by the end of this round we should have 13 petals of this flower, and we will meet here at the end of this round. After we have completed all our repeats, we can join the work, and we will do this by going with our hook from the back of the work into this first stage, the stage that joined all these 5 loops from the first petal, and slip stitch this last stitch, chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut the yarn and we will join our last color. We will first make a slip knot, and we can start from any of these chain 4 spaces. I will also carry this yarn with me in order to hide it, and we will start by making 1 single crochet. Next, 1/2 double crochet. For this we have to yarn over once, wrap the yarn and pull it through all these 3 loops. Next we will make 3 double crochets. For a double crochet we will grab the yarn and pull it through 2 loops first, and then through the remaining 2. So we will continue to make 2 more double crochets. So we have now 3. And now we will work in reverse this part from the beginning. So we will make 1/2 double crochet and 1 single crochet here at the end. And this will be our repeat for this last round. Let's do this together one more time. So 1 single crochet, 1/2 double crochet, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3, 1/2 double crochet, and we will end with 1 single crochet. This way we have completed 2 of our repeats, and we will continue to work in this same way in each of these chain 4 spaces. There are left 11 more, and we will meet here at the end of this round. I am now at the end of this round. It is time to join the work, and we will do this by going with our work, with our hook in this first stitch, and slip stitch this last stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut the yarn. This is our final project. This is our flower. This is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!